Today we're gonna create this neon heart-shaped wall hanging. To do this, we need 3 colored papers, a scissor, glue, and a sketch pen. First, cut the thick yellow paper into a heart shape with the scissor. Then take a small yellow piece of paper and make a hook with it. After making, attach the hook on top of the heart. Now take the blue paper and cut in small ribbons. After that, glue the both parts and then create 42 ribbons just like this one. Now take the white paper, cut a piece and create a flower as shown in the video. Then take the yellow paper and cut 3 long ribbons from it. After that, take all the blue ribbons and glue them all on the shape. And it's time to glue the flowers. Now take the ribbons and attach them. Make sure to keep the ribbon in the middle longer than the others. Now attach 3 ribbons in the tip as shown in the video. And congratulations, you have successfully made this beautiful wall hanging. Now remember, you can choose the size and color of the papers as long as you understand how to make the design. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to this channel. Share it with your friends, and just like this. I'll see you in the next video.